Vivek Partheeban is joining us on that US FDA booster that they've received. Vivek, thanks for joining us this morning. Now, Caplin is in the process of building its niche in the US injectable market with the approval of Nitropre India. Do you think the momentum in filings and approvals has now picked up?
Yes, certainly. So this is our sixth approval from this plant, and it happens to be the third approval under Caplin's name. We're expecting at least another 2 to 3 approvals in the coming months. So hopefully we should be able to finish the year in a strong manner in both in terms of approvals and revenues.
Does the ramp up in the US business remain the key focus now going forward, leading to higher growth?
Yes, so we fully expect the U.S. to occupy a significant percentage of our revenues in the next 3 to 4 years. As it stands, we are likely to end the year with about 10% revenues from the U.S., but this is fully expected to grow into a couple of multiples at least in the next 3 to 4 years.
Last 1 year, your stock performance has been pretty muted because of the slower ramp up in the injectables. Do you think the US injectables will lead to a sharp uptake growth in FY21, or would you say that it'll continue to remain a little subdued?
We're pretty comfortable with the rate at which we are growing in the U.S. At the same time, I think once you see a little bit more approvals, and also we are expanding our capacity to almost 3x what it is right now. So we'll be taking on a few contract manufacturing opportunities as well. So I think the rate at which we're growing, we are quite happy with it. Hopefully by the next 12 months, we go as close as possible to break even from this new facility. And once break even happens, I think you will see definitely a good boost in the bottom line. When it comes to the markets, unfortunately, we have no idea how it works, so there's no comments on that.
The company had raised about 220 crores in Jan to raise your capacity. Is that on track? And how will we see your overall capacity being enhanced by Feb 2020? Will it be by about 3 times?
Correct, yeah, but not Feb. It will happen sometime by end of March. We are pretty much done with the CapEx, and by about February and March, I think we can start looking at qualifications and stuff, but it will result in about 2.5 to 3 times CapEx. 2.5 to 3 times capacity of what we have right now.
Thanks, Vivek, for joining in and sharing with us what this US FDA booster means, as well as your outlook on capacity expansion.